some pretty grim new numbers out today on student mental health and violence. This data coming from an anonymous survey of students across the state.
They show the end of the pandemic hasn't done much yet to improve students' mental health. WRAL's Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie joins us now. Laura, data from last year shows students are reporting worse mental health now than in 2019.
Debbie, those numbers are up pretty much across the board. If we're looking at high schoolers, about 1/3 said their mental health was not good most of the time in the 30 days before they took this survey last year. Nearly half reported signs of clinical depression lasting 2 weeks or more, and about 1 in 5 said they had seriously considered suicide in the past year. Students who identified as LGBTQ+ reported rates twice as high or higher than their heterosexual peers, and those numbers jumped sharply between 2019 and 2021.
Boy, those are some disturbing numbers. The survey also asked students about guns and violence. What did that say?
The results here were absolutely eye-opening. And for the first time this year, the survey asked students whether they could get access to a loaded, unlocked gun within an hour without their parents' permission. 30% said they could, nearly 1 in 3. Males were more likely than females to report easy access. White students twice as likely as students of color to say yes. And 17% of students, that's almost 1 in 5, said they had not gone to school at least once in the past month because they felt unsafe at school or on the way there or back.
Any good news, any good data that we can share from the report?
There's a little good news. Vaping is on the decline. The number of students who said that they vape regularly is down about 1/3 since 2019, and the number who say they've even tried it once is down as well. Also, bullying appears to be on the decline, at least among high schoolers, although we're told it's still on the rise in middle school.